So hi, this is the first job link that we have where there is an urgent requirement for information security consultant. They want a person with minimum 1.8 years of experience to 3 years of experience, right? And like maximum 60 days of notice period should be with you if you want to join this company. Then within 60 days you need to join. Location will be Noida, and they'll be conducting the advanced security assessment for client web API mobile application thick client. Utilize OWASP methodologies to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities. Nidhi.bakshi@esec40.com is someone who is hiring, right? Esec40 is hiring. And certifications like OSAP CH equivalent are a plus point, and PubSuit, ZAP, mobile application security, all those tools is important, right? So just do all those things if you want to apply for this job role, right? Now, next one is in cyber NX technologies. They're hiring in Bangalore for three roles: L1, L2, L3. L1 is freshers, probably. L3, L2 is little experience, and associate team lead is, I guess, minimum 5 years experience is required. Okay, so HR at cybernx.com is the mail on which you can apply. So, guys, there's a lot of companies who are hiring for associate analyst, but why the people are not getting job? Because of less knowledge. So for that, you can check out this URL: VIH group .com/SOC. If you want to learn about SOC, if you want to gain experience on SOC, so you can check it out because this is one of the emerging thing that we are seeing in the cybersecurity. Next one, Wipro is hiring with the Palo Alto L3 plus F5 L1, right? So they are going to pay you around 26 LPA, maximum 30 days is the notice period. Experience is 7+ years of experience required. So this is for the experienced folks. This is not for the freshers. It's Pune based job. So relevant years of experience is for Palo Alto L3. L3 is probably, again I told you, L3 is something experience. F5 L1 current city. So whatever things you have, just add it out in your resume mail. Okay, had you ever worked on Wipro? So just add this part as well, and just all thing in the subject line, right? Now next one is, oh my god, where's the image? Anyways, Silert is hiring. Okay, there is again SOC analyst L1, SOC admin, SOC manager. Info at silect.com. If you don't have knowledge about SOC, if you want to learn, just check out this URL: vihgroup.com/SOC, right? If you want to learn about SOC, check it out if you want internship or job. मतलब इसमें तो मिल ही जाएगा, अगर कहीं नहीं मिला तो इसमें यू विल गेट इंटर्नशिप, 100% गारंटी, 5,000. नेक्स्ट वन इज साइबर डिफेंस लैब. गाइस दे आर हायरिंग फॉर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तुम कहाँ बैठे हो भाई? दे आर हायरिंग फॉर a lot of positions, right? Freshers experience, this is for you all. So this is a contact number. Just drop your resume if you are not getting, like they want a pre-sales and they want a manager enterprise business. Okay, in cybersecurity again, cybersecurity domain, they want a IT trainer. Two positions, minimum 3 vacancies are there. Freshers can apply, right? Again, 2 years for VAPT. SOC again, as I told you, bhai, there's a lot of positions. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, how to do VAPT and all those things, if you want to interior internship and want 100% guarantee from my side to get a job internship, is check out this URL: vihgroup.com/TCI. You can see on the right top here in the screen as well. So see this site up, right? Now next one is Wipro is hiring. Wipro is hiring for what? They is hiring for all those things. Palo Alto, load balancer, F5. So check it out. Locations are there. How many years experience they want and the budget they want. They have. Notice period is what they want. So check out all those things. 30 to 60 days of notice period required. Please mention all those things. What is the total years of experience, current CTC, expected CTC, whatever you have. What is the current location? Do you have official notice period, working days, last working days? विप्रो में कभी काम किया नहीं, and this mail ID somewhere we need to add. Mention skills in the subject line and send resume, right? So this is what you can join for. Next one is for network security engineer L2, routing and switching, Cisco, ASA, Palo Alto, FortiGate, Extreme Switch, and Nexus Aruba is the skills which is required. Experience is 3+ years of experience is required. On site Noida sector 132, 24/7 is shift. Okay, so probably it's like monitoring domain, है ना? So interested candidate can drop the resume at astha.priya@gxinetworks.com. Koki is dead. Cybersecurity engineers, this is for you. This is for experienced persons. 5 to 10 years of experience required. Site.cci@outlook.com. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience required. In-depth knowledge of investigations and advanced threat intrusion detection. ये तो basic है भाई cyber security. Basic not. There's a lot of things you need to learn. Vulnerability management, exploit knowledge by identifying access and prioritizing vulnerability. NIST, CSF, all those framework knowledge is important, right? ISO 27001 कुछ नहीं आता भाई फिर भी पढ़ लो. NIST CSF इसके ऊपर मैंने पूरा कोर्स बना रखा है. If you want course, just let me know. And if you don't have money, कोई बात नहीं. I even don't have honey. Okay, so I can give you courses for free. Right, MITRE tag इसके ऊपर भी I have a webinar, so I can give you a webinar for free for MITRE. पैसा तो ले लो. NIST CSF very important, but पैसा नहीं है तो if you don't have money, I don't have money, so I can give you this course for free. Free में ले लो. Just let me know in comment box so that I can reach to you. Mail ID is this one, site.cci@outlook.com. By the way, tomorrow is Sunday. I'll give you a lot of courses for free as well. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay.